Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the McDonald's Happy Meal Crocs. So let's get started. To draw these super cute Crocs, let's first start by drawing the shoe shape. So I'm going to just start up here because it's just easier for my hand, and I'm going to draw a curve for the back of our Croc. So I'm just going to bring down a nice round curve right here, and then I'm going to bring it down. And same thing here. And then as I go down, this side right here is just going to go a little bit wider. And then this side is going to curve in a little bit and then go out. So it's kind of like drawing a bean shape towards the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring this all in. And connect. So I'm going to go a little bit wider right about here. And connect. I'm not going to make mine too long, just want it extra cute and small. There, so like this foot shape, right? Okay, so now that we have this general shape in, I'm going to come back to the top, say maybe about right here in this area. Let's give myself a point, and I'm just going to drag it across just so I make sure I'm going to the same area. And then from there, I'm going to draw a curve and go all the way back. There. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's draw the strap. So I'm going to come right here at the top, and I'm going to go out, just follow the curve I made. And I'm going to draw another curve, say about right here. And bring it in. Then let's come back in this area about right here, and I'm just going to round this part off. Then we're going to draw the strap. So now I'm just going to follow this curve that I created and go all the way around. And we're going to come back to about the same spot on the other side. So let's keep going. And down, just to simplify our Croc right here, the shape. Okay, so now that we have that, hopefully that's starting to look like a Croc shoe. Then from there, let's come back to the bottom right about here. We're going to taper in a curve so that we can see a bit of the bottom sole right here, and I'm just going to taper it in right there to give our shoe some dimension. And then I'm going to come about right here and draw those holes, those front holes. So I'm going to come right about here and draw one here and then some here. So I'm kind of basically following the original Croc that I drew a while ago. And so then I'm following this curve right here that I forgot what I drew it for. It's just because Crocs are just so popular. I think I just drew one. So definitely Google it, Draw So Cute Croc, if you want to draw a basic one here. So then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw one more just to finish it off. There. So now that we have the front hose, we have our basic, oh, actually one more curve, maybe about right here, just to give our Croc some detail. There. Okay, so now we have our basic Croc shoe, and now you can decorate however you want, right? But today, because this is a very special McDonald's Happy Meal Croc toy, Croc toy shoe. Oh my gosh, Croc shoe toy. So we're gonna come about right here, and I'm going to bring it to life with these eyes. There's just so many to pick from, but I thought this one would be a little bit more classic for the McDonald's look. So got one big circle here, and then we're gonna put another one about right here. And then we're going to come inside and draw another circle, maybe towards this edge a little bit more. So hopefully you've gotten your toy, and I'm going to put a highlight right here and shade this all in. And collect them all and draw them all. And same thing here. Okay, so we got these two big eyes in, and then we need to draw the smile, right? So I'm going to say about right here, the McDonald's arch smile. So right here, I'm just going to draw this big curve towards the side. Then I'm going to thicken it up right about here, and it's going to be thinner right there, and then thicker towards the center, and then back to thinner, and about right here once again. End it right there with our smile. And of course we need to I'm just going to draw a little curve right here above each eye, and then I'm going to very lightly just draw in some circles so that we know it's definitely a Croc shoe. I just don't want it to be too much because I'm using a Sharpie. It's pretty dark, so I'm just trying to do it as light as possible. Don't want to color, we're just coloring all red. Let's see here, maybe some here. Just have to make sense here, so maybe another part right here. Something like that. Hopefully that's enough. And then very important, let's put the logo, the Happy Meal logo right here. So in this spot right here, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this. Try my best to draw a big circle in this space so that we can fit the Happy Meal logo in here. If you're not comfortable drawing a big circle, definitely find something you can trace. Okay, so now that I have this circle in, I'm going to come back into the center, and let's say about right here, I'm going to draw a straight line. I need to leave some room for the golden arches, and then I'm going to angle down. I have enough room, and then one more angle, and connect. So it's a pretty tall box. It needs to be a little bit taller. And then right here, we're going to add the golden arches towards the center and then down. And then two right here. Whew, did it. And then another smile. So right about here, just gonna draw a curve. And then once again, there. I did not breathe when I drew that. I just had to make sure I had enough space in between. And last but not least, what do we need to add? We need to add a heart, right? Maybe, where can we add a heart? You know what? Let's just put a heart right here. Since I don't know where to put it. So there, I really hope you love these this McDonald's Happy Meal toy, the Croc shoe that's very, very popular right now, and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and that brought a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.